Mr. Skiles, good morning to you. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, everything's in my father's name.
Are you going to be able to show us documentation for that?
I got everything right here in this envelope.
Very well. For the car that you were in that day?
Yes.
Very well. Just be prepared to get the registration and insurance and show it to us, and we'll get you out of here as well. Okay, let's get going. We can start with Mr. Sanchez. Are you there, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, he is, sir.
Oh, needs an interpreter?
Yes, he does.
Oh, we'll wait on the interpreter. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you today?
And Buenos dias, Senior Sanchez.
Buenos días.
Want to do that? I don't know the process of that. All these things all together.
Okay, Hollander. Hollander, you have a lot going on, Mr. Hollander.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna wait for the city attorney on your matter. Daniels, your options. Good morning. You are pleading as charged. 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. If you want to fight the matter, we're going to send you to your alphabet judge. If you do the 12 hours, we'll dismiss the case. You have an absolute right to a trial. You'll just have to do that with the other judge, your alphabet judge. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He can explain what we just talked about, all right? Let us know what you want to do when you come on.
Thank you.
Orozco. Jorge.
Yes, sir.
You need an interpreter, sir?
He does.
Very well. Now that we have the interpreter, morning, Ms. Hernandez.
Your Honor. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Ms. Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think we have how are you signed on? I think we got an echo.
Okay, let me go back, okay?
Let's see, it may be okay now.
Okay, now it's better?
No, I think you're gonna have to go back.
Okay, I will. See you soon.
All right. Mr. Cage, we already spoke. Kyle.
Yes, sir.
Well, that wasn't Ms. Hernandez, was it? That sounds like the Southwest Detroit. I'm gonna meet you, Mr. Phillips. And then Mr. Timothy Wallace has not connected. Okay, Ms.
Better now,
Hernandez.
Your Honor? Better?
That must be, that may have been echo from Mr. Phillips. So let's go with, Sanchez. I'm gonna put Sanchez in a breakout room with you and Mrs. Harris. Sanchez's offer is gonna be allowing 12 hours of community service, dismiss upon completion, and we'll dismiss the other matter now if he takes the deal. And Ms. Harris, you know about the trial issue that we're talking about. We'll send them to the alphabet judge if they want to contest the matter, all right?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Your
may I
Honor.
have the
Sorry.
offer with Mr. Hollander?
Hollander has not had an offer yet.
All right.
Daniels is as charged. You're in the breakout room with Daniels. He's as charged. And
Oh,
he
okay.
is 12 hours of community service. That's in the park after dark.
Okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Sanchez needs interpreter.
Yes, Mr. Sanchez, you go into 3 with Ms. Harris,
Okay.
please.
Thank you. I'll be there. Bye-bye. Thank
Mr. Wallace, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
No, I don't, Your Honor. That wasn't my vehicle. It was a friend of mine's vehicle.
If
She
there's
was
some-
driving me to,
Let me just say this, if it's some sort of conviction in this, are you willing to do community service in Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, or do you want to fight the matter?
no, sir, I'll do the community service. I'm wrong. I was driving. I shouldn't have been.
Mr. Wallace,
Yes, sir.
let's say less.
You got it. Yes, sir.
You confess your sins to the city, to your defense counsel. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak, but I just wanted to know if there is some sort of some conviction or something, whether you could participate in our program. This is community court today. All right?
I sure would, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning, Mr. Raphael Brown.
Yes.
Good morning to you. They say you had some, boom box in your car, huh?
No, sir. Just my windows was down.
I'm just telling you what they say, sir. I didn't say that they were right. I just tell you, this is a as charged matter. If you want to fight it, we can send you to the alphabet judge. If you want to do some community service, we can clear it up, and you won't have a conviction.
It's I'm sorry. You said
Yeah,
it's
so we're community court today, so I'm gonna just give you guys a breakdown of what's going on. I really only handle the last names GL or O, but if you get your ticket out of 4th precinct, then I handle all the cases that come out of the 4th precinct, and we're in partnership with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. It's Mr. Phillips down there at his desk, with Tails online. And Ms. Zavalia, good morning to you. They're from the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. We allow people to do some community service to clear up their matters, and then you come out without a misdemeanor conviction. All right, we're gonna get going here and start with Ms. Williams Law is here, so we can get going. So think about that. Everybody's gonna have an opportunity to speak with the lawyer. Everybody's gonna have an opportunity to tell their story, what they feel, how they feel about it, and we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can.
okay.
Morning, Ms. Williams Law.
Morning, Your Honor.
Ready as to Mr. Daniel, Your Honor.
Right. Let's go ahead and start with Mr. Cage, his simple one. So this is the city of Detroit. I'm sorry, Mrs. Williams Law. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Charles Edward Cage with a K. Case number SP 14617-241. Appearance for the record, please.
Charles Cage.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Cage.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Cage indicated that he just started a new job. He intends on getting that insurance in the next few weeks. And I'm going to give Mr. Cage an opportunity to get settled in his new job and get some insurance. So I'll give you another pre-trial date of August the 23rd, 2023. If you put some valid insurance in, sir, we'll dismiss the case.
I really
All right.
appreciate that, Your Honor.
I'm glad. No problem at all. I'd rather see you spend the money getting some insurance than having to pay the ticket. All right.
I appreciate that, man. It's a big help.
All right. Good to be able to help you. All right. Have a great day,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Have a good day.
Good morning, Mr. Marcus. Let's call the city of Detroit.
This one too.
This is called the city of Detroit versus Justin Omar Daniel. Case number SP 1462041. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Daniel. State your full name, Mr. Daniel.
Justin Daniel.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Daniel is now a resident of Kentucky, and so it would appear that he needs to go before his alphabet judge.
Well, they got Burton Marlowe in Kentucky. They're all over the country, huh?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to fight the ticket or do you want to pay?
I'll pay.
You want to pay? All right. Did you read him his advice of rights?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. I'll let him take the deal since he's not a resident anymore. You want to plead guilty, sir, and then we'll pay $240 and we'll dismiss upon payment.
So it'll be dismissed upon the payment, right?
It'll be dismissed upon the payment.
Yes, that's what I'll do, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Daniel,
Yes,
you
sir.
understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand, Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
What are those?
Some of the rights about having a right to a trial is one of them. About
standing mute?
About standing mute, about calling your own witnesses.
Yes, sir, he did.
He went over all those. Did you understand them all?
Yes, sir, I did.
Do you have any questions about them?
No, sir, I don't.
Do you know you'll be giving up the rights when you take this deal?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Anybody offer you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No, sir, they didn't.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 24th, 2023 at around 10:24 p.m. Where you in the area of 24th Street and Jefferson Avenue in the city of Detroit. Were you in that area at that date and time?
Yes, sir, I was.
And what is that over there?
To be honest, I don't know. But it did look like a play skate over there.
A city park?
Yes, sir. Guessing so.
Driver drove through private parking lot to avoid barricade signs posted. Is that what you did, sir? To get in that
Yes,
park?
sir. Yes, I drove through a parking lot.
And it was barricaded off?
No, the parking lot was not barricaded off.
Well, were you in the park after, was it after 10 o'clock?
No, I was on the street. I was not in the park. I was on the street.
He's gonna have to go to his alphabet judge now. Mr. Hernandez. We hear you. You're gonna have to go to your alphabet judge because it sounds like you don't, I can't make a factual basis of you being guilty of being in the park after dark. Can we give him his alphabet judge in the pre-trial date?
That's Daniel.
Daniels.
Okay.
Stand by, Mr. Daniels. We'll get you to another judge, all right?
Okay.
All right. Mr.
Ready on Sanchez.
You ready on Sanchez? Let's get Sanchez out of here.
Here's Sanchez right here.
All right, Miss Hernandez, can you state your name for the record and put your credentials on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, as CAO qualified Spanish interpreter.
All right, and can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's call City of Detroit versus Christian Alberto Avila Sanchez, case number SP 1460494, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Cristian Alberto Ávila Sánchez, número de caso SP 146-049-41 y 42. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Sanchez.
Buenos días, su señoría. Charica Harris, representando al señor Sánchez, número de registro de abogados 7232.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, state your name for the record, please.
Señor Sánchez, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Cristian Adalberto Avilés Sánchez.
Cristian Adalberto Avilés Sánchez.
That's for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Para propósitos de la lectura de cargos, ¿cómo desea proceder, abogada?
Your Honor, my client stands mute.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, in our not guilty plea in your clients, you have, give your client a $0 bond, and that offer was allowing, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my
Está
client,
bien, entonces, voy a introducir una declaración de la culpabilidad en su nombre y le voy a dar una fianza de $0. ¿Cómo quiere proseguir su cliente, señora abogada?
Your Honor, my client wishes to pay fines and costs. As such, he would need to go to his alphabet judge.
Él se le ofreció el acuerdo de dejar manejar a alguien sin licencia. Su señoría, él desea pagar los costos y las multas y desea que sea remitido a su juez que le corresponde alfabéticamente.
Okay, stand by. We're going to get him to another court date and get him his alphabet judge.
Está bien, entonces, señor, quédese por aquí con el micrófono en silencio, que vamos a buscar qué juez le corresponde alfabéticamente para darle la información.
I need a pretrial date. I have a defendant who doesn't want to do service.
Okay, let's get Mr. Orozco in the breakout room with you, Ms. Harris. His offer is the same as Mr. Sanchez.
That would be August the 2nd. What time?
And I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Orozco. Can you join the breakout room?
Señor Orozco, por favor, cuando vea el llamado para ir a una sala de grupo pequeño, por favor, le va a aparecer en su pantalla. Apriete y, por favor, para comunicarnos allá con su abogado. Where is he? He's gone?
He went in there.
Community service.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead, back on the record with Mr. Justin Omar Daniel. Mr. Daniel, I got another court date for you. It's Reagan Evans.
Yes.
Judge Evans, it's gonna be a pretrial on August the 2nd, 2023 at 8:35.
Pardon me?
August the 2nd, 2023 at 8:35. And I would like to keep her Zoom ID and phone number.
Zoom ID, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Judge Evans, August 2nd, 2023 at 8:35 is your next court date. And I'd like to give you her Zoom ID and phone number.
Okay, thank you.
All right, her phone number is 313-965-2290.
I wasn't ready, sir.
You ready now?
313. Yes, sir.
965-2290. And her Zoom ID is 360-334-0000.
4 zeros or 3 0?
4-0. If there's nothing further,
Thank you.
sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. Have a great day. All right, Mr. Massaroni, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Latora Ames.
Latora Ames.
Yes, AMES.
Right, that's, yeah, the grace period, you know the deal, 9 o'clock, give them a half-hour grace period. They don't show up, we'll call the case. If they do show up, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Colin James Skiles. Case numbers SP 146-25901, SP 146-259-8, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Skiles.
Colin James Skiles, present.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, Mr. Skiles would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Skiles, let's see that documentation you say you have.
All right. This is a new title. I don't know if it's clear on your screen. In my father's name. This is also the.
Let me see that portion. Very well. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Let's see the insurance.
It's this one right here, sir.
I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. You have to have these documents. I don't know what happened out there, but you have to have these documents on you, sir, when you drive, all right?
Yes,
all right.
sir.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Skiles, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Oh, I don't have to pay nothing?
No, not this, no.
Thank you very much. I very much appreciate that.
All right, one-time deal. You're very much welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Counsel Warfield, who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here for Miss Lee Alicia, I believe. It's an appointed matter.
Miss Lee?
Yes, Leigh. She is logged on as well.
L-E-I.
I do see her in the gallery.
Alicia.
Leigh.
Very well. City of Detroit versus Alicia. Case number SB 142-81391, SB 142-81421, SB 142-841, counts 2 and counts 3, SB 142-8144, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, on behalf of the defendant who was present in the courtroom. I'm sorry, via Zoom.
All right, Miss Alicia, did I get the correct pronunciation there?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you state your name for the record, ma'am?
Lee Alicia.
Alicia. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This seems like this should go, if she's contesting the matters, is she contesting the matters?
Your Honor, to my knowledge, yes, I have not had an opportunity to speak with her while we've been on Zoom today. But to my knowledge, and based off the information given to me from MIDC, yes, she is contesting. So we'd like to set this matters for a bench trial, I believe. But can I have an opportunity to speak with my client?
Yeah, I'll definitely do that. You go ahead and speak with your attorney and then let us know what you want to do. If they're gonna contest it, we're gonna send it to an alphabet judge, all right? At the matter, Mr. Hill.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Is your client here?
Good morning. He's not, Your Honor. It's scheduled for an arraignment. I just filed an appearance. I'm just hoping to get it reset for a pretrial before his alphabet judge and waive the arraignment. He's working construction, Your Honor.
Where is the Marino Gill?
That's him.
Can we get a Marino Gill, send him to his alphabet judge, please?
You want Marino Gill now?
Yeah. Mrs. Gonzalez Gomez. We get a number for Sanchez.
Yes, it's going to
charge. All right, that gets me, let's see Hollander. Hollander is a little more difficult in that, Hollander might want to go to his alphabet judge as well. Mr. Berry, are you here?
I am, Your Honor.
Yeah, Hollander's got the leaving the scene of a property damage accident and things like that. So I think that's best to send him to his alphabet judge on that if he wants to set a trial date or something like that. Let's get Hollander to his alphabet judge, please. Give me a minute. I'm gonna get you out of here in a second, Mr. Hollander.
Yes, Your Honor.
That gets me down to Wallace.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's see what we have. Mr. Wallace, City of Detroit versus Timothy Wayne Wallace. Case number SP 1464598, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1464618, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Wallace.
Timothy Wayne Wallace.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Wallace, are you still in Pinckney, Michigan?
No, sir. I live in Detroit.
Okay, so you can participate in the program then. So what the offer will be, Mr. Wallace indicated that he would like to participate. What the offer will be is you don't have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
Why don't we give him just 12 hours of community service? Just allowing. That's a 0-point offense. It is a misdemeanor, but it does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And we'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon completion of 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. What's your good phone number to reach you at, Mr. Wallace?
313-826-5715.
We'll dismiss the other matters if he wants to participate. Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room and take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center as well.
Yes, sir. Is there something I have to do to go to that room, or will I just pop in it, or?
You're gonna have to click a button to get in there. You ready for the phone number?
Yes, sir.
We'll get this out the way so when you come back out the room, we can make it a little quicker. It's 313-879-2155.
879-2155?
Yes.
2155.
All right, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He can explain things to you, read his advice or rights if he wants to take the deal. Join the room.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Are we ready on what is Wagner? What is this for? Okay. Let's call the city of Detroit.
Which one did they get?
The Moreno Gill.
Oh, Marino, yeah.
It's the city of Detroit versus Daniel Antonio Moreno Gill, case number SB 1464866, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Alexander Hill on behalf of the defendant, Daniel Moreno Gill, P76961. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. There's date time.
You're asking to wait.
About your client's appearance.
Yes, Your Honor. We would ask that his appearance be waived this morning. He is working. We anticipated the matter being reset with another judge. We've discussed the case and his rights.
Very well. I'm going to grant that motion to waive the presence and about arraignment.
What's your name?
We would waive reading and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client. You have give your client a $0 bond. And the next court date is going to be with Judge Wagner on August the 2nd, 2023 at 8:35 a.m.
Perfect, Your Honor. We'll resolve it then. Thank you so much.
Very much. Have a great day. Good to see you, and good luck to you.
You have a great day too. Take care.
Okay. Alice, this is back. Are we ready on Alice? Did you get this? Is for Alice?
No, this is the date.
What about Alice?
The date too?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's call Hollander. This is the city of Detroit versus Larry Joe Hollander. Case number SB 11787241, SB 11787251, SB 146-30301, SB 146-3159, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 146-3161, counts 1, 2, and 3, And that's, so strike those last ones. Appearance for the record, please. No, I did not strike the last ones. I just did, I'm not gonna put the last ones on the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Hollander, please state your name for the record.
Larry Hollander.
For
All right.
purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea of your client, give your client a $0 bond. And I think this case is best served with him going to his alphabet judge, considering the fact that I still haven't gotten the agreement that we have, but considering the fact that you've got leaving the scene, property damage accident, personal injury accident, a lot of things going on here. You can get him to his alphabet judge. That would be Judge Millhouse. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yes, sir.
That would be Judge Millhouse. And I'm going to give her Zoom ID and courtroom phone number just so you'll have it for your records.
I'm ready.
All right, that would be phone number would be 313-965-2296. Zoom ID is 340. No, strike that. 360-340-0340, I think.
360-360-0340.
Thank you.
No problem.
360-360-0340. All right. So that's going to be your next court date. August the 14th, 2023 at 8:35, Judge Millhouse. All right, Mr. Hollander, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day if you don't have any further questions.
You have a good day.
That brings me down to.
We're ready on a Roseville.
Yeah, let me get Ms. Gonzalez Gomez on her way. She's already done her community service. This is.
Your Honor,
Yeah, I think she needs.
Vanessa,
Okay, thank you.
póneme el micrófono, que se escuche. Póneme el micrófono. Yes, sir. Póneme el micrófono.
Le podemos oír, señora González.
Oh, ¿me puede oír?
Yes, we can hear you.
Sí.
We can hear you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Neely Patricia Gonzalez Gomez, case number SP 142-52031. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Nelly Patricia González Gómez, número de caso SP 142-52031. Por favor, diga sus nombres para que comparezcan en el acta.
Nelly Patricia González Gómez.
Nelly Patricia González Gómez.
Well, buenos dias to you, Mademoiselle Gonzalez Gomez.
Buenos días para usted, señora González Gómez, le dice juez.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for review. I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of service and you completed those 12 hours of community service. I know they appreciate that over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. So for that, ma'am, we're going to dismiss your case.
Señora, buenos días. Yo veo que usted ha hecho sus 12 horas de servicios comunitarios allá con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario. Le damos muchísimas gracias por su servicio y ya eso es todo. No, si no tiene nada que decir, puede retirarse y con esto le hemos dejado caer su caso. Ya no tiene caso.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Me happy. Thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Ok, señora, ya se puede retirar. Muy bien, que tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ready to ask Mr. Wallace, Your Honor.
Vanessa, apágala.
Let's,
Apágala.
back on the record with Mr. Timothy Wallace. Mr. Wallace, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
He would avail himself of the offer, Your Honor, and is prepared to do the 12 hours of community service.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Could you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wallace, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give up that trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, now it's time to confess your sins. Ticket, all right? Let me draw your attention back to May the 25th, 2023 at around 1:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Buchanan Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, sir, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
I don't have a license. I haven't drove since for a long time, for quite a few years.
This day, huh?
No, I was coming home from my chemotherapy treatment. The woman that I was driving her vehicle, she took me there, but on the way home, I think she didn't eat, and it seemed to me like she was starting to have some kind of stroke type issue. So we swapped seats, and I was driving home. But that was Your Honor, I don't drive. I stopped driving. I'm dealing with stage 4 colorectal cancer.
All right, Mr. Wallace. All right.
Yes, sir.
This is this is not that in the scheme of breaking laws and stuff, it's not that serious. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
it is so I guess you say everyone is serious, and I appreciate the fact that you are taking it very seriously. I don't want that to be lost in what I'm saying. But more serious enough, how are you doing with your treatment, sir? How is your cancer doing?
I've been dealing with it for the last 10 years. It's stable, but I continue to do my cancer treatments twice a week.
We'll continue to beat it up. All right, that's the most important thing that here today. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So,
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt while the court is on the record. Is his plea to failing to display a valid license?
no, this is allowing.
Okay.
Allowing. So it's won't abstract. Why don't you have a license? What's going on with that?
I would love to get it, Your Honor. When I was young, I would drive. I would get tickets, and like young people, we'd say, "Oh, I'll pay them later," or it's just stupidity, Your Honor, is what it was. I'm paying for it now with great deal. I would love to try to find somebody to help me with some kind of payment plan or something. I can try to get my license back. I would love to.
So do you have tickets in other jurisdictions?
Only Detroit, Your Honor. That's it.
When was the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
I would say over 10 years ago.
You stayed away from there, didn't you? You're like, I already know what they're gonna say. I'm staying away from there.
Is that what I should, is
Let's
that what
see
I
what
should
you-
do, Your Honor?
Let's see what your license looks like.
Oh, horrible, Your Honor. Don't look at it.
I've seen some bad licenses, sir. I don't know. We'll see about that, but that doesn't mean that you can't get one. We'll see. Not that bad.
Oh. I would love to try to find a way to correct this, Your Honor, as far as me fixing my license. Is there something you can recommend me for, or? I really need my license, because for times like this, when I don't have a ride for my treatments or anything like that, I mean, I really hate the fact of having to look over my shoulder while I'm driving, and I'd really like to correct this, Your Honor. I don't know how much longer I'll be in these chemotherapy treatments. It's my responsibility to pay my debt to society. They were my tickets. I'm a lot more responsible than I was as a child. I would just like to pay for my actions and make things right. I'm working security. I'm at home. I'm taking care of 13 people. It's rough right now for me, but I would love to get started on trying to resolve my tickets in the past.
Well, I would say, sir, I would suggest you go to the Secretary of State and you might be surprised. See what they say.
I will do that.
All right. So
Yes,
I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss that on completion. The stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 12 hours of community service. Let's get a good address for you, please.
6060 Cecil, CECIL Street, 48210, Detroit, Michigan.
Very well. I'm gonna give you, let's say, when do I go on vacation again?
It's marked here on the calendar. Two circles.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until complete this community service by the 16th.
Yes, I can.
All right, very well. Let's complete the community service by the 16th. Give Mr. Phillips this afternoon a call and set those hours up, and then go to the Secretary of State. They may surprise you, and if they don't, you can ask them exactly what is affecting your driver's license, and they should be able to give you a printout. All right.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
right.
The one you want me to contact, that's the number you gave me, the 879 number?
2155, that's Mr. Phillips up there in the center of the screen there.
call him and get the hours set up for community
Yes,
service?
call it this afternoon, after 12 o'clock, once they're done, all right?
I will do, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Very much welcome. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You have a blessed day yourself, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, let's go back with Mr. Sanchez. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Sanchez.
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Sánchez.
Mr. Sanchez, I've got another court date for you. Your next date is going to be with Judge Archer on September the 5th, 2023 at 8:35. That's September the 5th, 2023 at 8:35.
Señor Sánchez, usted tiene que ir con la juez Archer. Y su nuevo día para comparecer allí ante esa juez es el 5 de septiembre del 2023 a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Sí, está bien.
Señor,
Está bien.
no le oigo.
Quítale.
Judge Archer, I want to give you Judge Archer's phone number. Is area code 13-965-2286. And her Zoom ID is trace 0000.
Hello.
If you don't have
Le
any
voy a
questions.
dar-
Okay, go ahead, Ms.
Le voy a dar entonces el número de la sala del tribunal de la juez Archer. Es 313-965-2286 y la identificación del Zoom con el cual se tiene que conectar ese día es 360-333-0000. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar, señor Sánchez. ¿Entendió?
Sí, muchas gracias.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
¿Me puede repetir?
Señor, sin nada más que agregar, buena suerte. Señor, no se le oye nada.
¿Me puede repetir el número de Zoom?
Can you repeat the Zoom name?
Yeah, 360-333, I believe, 0000.
Sí, 360-333-0000.
Está bien, muchas gracias.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Señor, que tenga buen día, buena suerte.
Igualmente.
Same to you. Se puede desconectar.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Alicia. Ms. Alicia, are you there?
Yes.
Counselor, are you there? Where's counsel for Ms. Alicia? Ms. Warfield?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that. Yes.
All right. Just back on the record with Ms. Alicia, her next court date is going to be July the 27th, 2023 at 9:30 a.m. with Judge Holmes. Okay?
Let me make sure. Yep, that will work just fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well. Have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
You as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Gabriel Malato Salazar. Case number SP.
Sorry.
SP.
Go ahead.
SP. 559-301. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Mulato Salazar. Por favor, diga su nombre.
Juan Gabriel Mulato. Juan Gabriel Mulato Salazar.
Juan Andrés Mulato Salazar.
Juan Gabriel.
Juan Gabriel
Mulato
Salazar.
Your Honor, I apologize. You broke up during the case number interpretation.
Es P14559-301.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Today is the date and time. Buenos dias, Senior Salazar. Today is the date and time set for a review. 12 hours of community service. You completed those 12 hours of community service at the Clark Park. We appreciate that. I know they appreciate that over there. So with that, we're going to dismiss your case. Okay, sir?
Ok, señor, ya veo que usted ha cumplido con las 2 horas de servicio comunitario que se le pidieron. Muchísimas gracias por su servicio. Veo, conocemos dónde lo hizo. Ya con eso queda todo arreglado, y todo resuelto. Si no hay más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar, señor. Y muchas gracias.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Señor, que tenga muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jorge Orozco, case number SP1462983, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jorge Orozco. Número de caso SP 146-29-831 y 833. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. ¿Cómo desea proseguir?
Sharika Harris. Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Orozco, please state your name.
Sharika Harris, representando al señor Orozco. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre.
Gregorio Jorge Orozco.
Gregorio Jorge Orozco.
All right. Buenos dias, Senior Orozco. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Buenos días, señor Orozco. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para su lectura de cargos. ¿Cómo desea proseguir, señora abogada?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente, permanecerá en silencio.
All right, then our not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. The offer was allowing. What does your client want to do?
Entonces voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente, con una fianza de $0. Él tiene un acuerdo ofrecido de dejar que manejar a alguien sin licencia. ¿Qué desea ser su representado?
He wishes to avail himself of the recommendation, Your Honor.
Su señoría desea tomar la recomendación.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Orozco?
¿Eso es lo que quiere hacer, señor Orozco?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Okay.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down. You understand the
¿Puede bajar su
maximum,
mano?
you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de ofensas podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y de hasta $500?
Sí.
Yes, I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Señor Orozco, ¿usted entiende? Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Señor Orozco, cuando estaban en la sala de consulta privada, la señora Harris le explicó sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
Aparte de lo que ya dijimos que íbamos a hacer aquí hoy y que le explicaron, ¿alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to May the 22nd, 2023 at around 6:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Federal Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on the day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el 22 de mayo, en horas de la tarde, en las inmediaciones de Livernois. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿le paró a usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un carro? ¿Un
Sí.
vehículo?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
And that officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
Y usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No. Oh,
No.
No.
No, no.
Why is
¿Por qué?
Porque no la tengo conmigo, o sea que ya cambió la ley y no la tengo vencida mi licencia.
No, because I don't carry with me because it's expired and I cannot get another.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with the stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Está bien, entonces yo voy a aceptar su declaración de que usted dejó manejar a alguien que no tuviera licencia y después de la estipulación de la causa probable voy a desestimar el otro ticket.
Está bien.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That's okay. Estipulado, su señoría.
All right. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Orozco.
Señor, necesito un buen número de teléfono donde yo lo pueda, donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
313-221-7781.
You got it, Your Honor?
77, what's the last two?
81.
71?
81.
Oh, 81, the 81.
81.
So I have 313-221-7781.
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right, very good. And you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. And that is Trace 879-2155.
Got it.
Okay, got it.
Very well. I'm going to give him until August the 16th, 2023 to complete those hours. Get in touch with Ms. Quinteo or Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set those hours up. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Tiene que llamar a ese número que le dio el juez, el 313-879-2155. Llame esta tarde a la señora Philip o a la señora Buentello para establecer cómo hacer sus horas de servicio comunitario y tiene que volverse a conectar con la corte el día 16 de agosto de 2023 a las 8:25 para revisar y ver que ya las hizo. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya eso es todo por hoy.
Okay, gracias. Que pase buen día.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Erickson Giovanni Ramirez, case number SP 145888. 501. State your name for the record, Mr. Ramirez, please.
El señor Ramírez, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí, por favor.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Erickson Román Ramírez. Caso número SP-145-8801. Señor Ramírez, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Sí. Erickson Giovanni Ramírez.
Yes, Erickson Giovanni Ramírez.
All right, today is the date and time set for review in the matter. Mr. Ramirez, I've ordered you to do 12 hours of community service. You completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. I know they appreciate that over there at the Clark Park, and we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Señor Giovanni Ramírez, muchísimas gracias. Veo aquí que ya usted ha completado sus 2 horas de servicio comunitario. Agradecemos mucho su ayuda. Y sin más, ya con esto le voy a dejar caer su caso. Ya está listo, se puede retirar si no tiene nada más nada que agregar.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Rafael Brown, case number SP1428691. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Brown.
Sir Brown.
I'm Judge Yancey. I'm about to call.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. After speaking with your client earlier, he indicated, I think he wants to contest this matter. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Brown?
I was unsure of what it was. They said it was
This is a loudspeaker ticket. I don't have the actual ticket here because your file hasn't made it up to my courtroom yet. This is I talked. You kind of heard what's going on. It's community court. You can plead as charged. 12 hours of community service will dismiss the case. But if you don't feel that you're guilty of this, then you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll just have to send you to your alphabet judge, which would be Judge Yancey. And the next court date would be 8/15/2023 at 8:30. So you tell us what you want to do.
speaker. So it'll be dismissed off the record and everything like that if I do community service.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to make an accurate basis for it. You're gonna have to admit to the violation, to the misdemeanor.
Because it was just my music it wasn't. I don't have speakers in my car, so they said it was like a noise.
You don't have the boom box, the 18-inch woofers or 12-inch woofers in your car.
Correct.
All right. So let's just go to Ms. Judge Yancey on pretrial 8/15/2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna give you Judge Yancey's information. You have an ink pen?
Yes, I'm ready.
313-965-2291 is her phone number. 360-335-0000 is her Zoom ID.
360. I'm sorry. 360-335.
Yes, 0000.
335.
Next court date is going to be August the 15th, 2023.
23 at 8:30 a.m.
At 8:30 a.m.
And I'm gonna just read it back. 313-965-2291. 360-335-0000. And then
360 360335.
Oh,
0.
335. Okay.
Yes.
Then 0000, then 8/15/2023, and then 8:30 a.m.
Correct.
And you said Judge Yancey?
Yes, very good.
Yancey. Wow. Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you. Do I get in contact with her on that date? And
On
just
that
show
date,
us?
girl, you should be on the docket on that date, so you don't have to do anything. But I gave you the information, the phone number and stuff, if case something comes up.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it, sir.
Very much welcome. Have a great day, sir.
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right, we need to get in touch with the Sniper, city attorney. We have a.
He's right here, Your Honor.
Oh, I didn't see. Okay, let's go into breakout room with the officer. We have Mr. Marcioni with his client Ames that's here. Trial.
Perfect. Just Mr. Ames. We don't have on
We have
Morgan.
Pardon me.
Is anybody here for Mr. Morgan?
Yeah, Jalen is here.
Okay, but not the officer.
Jalen Morgan is here, but no officer.
Perfect. I will go talk to the officer on Ames.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Terrell Morgan, case number SB 143-25621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Morgan. State your full name, Mr. Morgan.
Jalen Morgan.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial of Officer Cervantes. Officer Cervantes is hearing no response. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness.
We'll grant that motion to dismiss. No officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Morgan, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well, Judge.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Lydia Marie Missel. Case number is SP 144-47131. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yo no, she needs interpreter.
Maybe.
Señora Lidia Maciel. Lidia Marie Maciel, necesita intérprete, están llamando a su caso.
No, no se estaba conectando. I don't need an interpreter. It was trying to connect.
Okay.
I apologize.
Perfect.
Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. Lydia Marie Maciel.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes.
Runner license, please. All right, let's stand by.
I do have my license.
All right, we're gonna run the license and see if it's good. If it's good, we'll get you out of here, all right?
Yes, sir.
This is the state of Michigan versus Yamaya Janae Pratt, case number SX419554111. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr., on behalf of Ms. Pratt, state your
sorry,
full name, Ms. Pratt.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Amaya Janae Pratt.
This is just a review, Mr. Berry. Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do, let's see, what's going on here? Somehow, you got 6 hours of community service, but you did 12. You went over and above like that, ma'am?
I went for 2 days.
Well, you only needed to do 6 hours. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Did it make you feel good, ma'am?
They were cool people, so it was okay.
Good. All right, come on. Appreciate you going over and above, maybe because it was marked down here wrong. Somewhere in translation, it got mixed up. I apologize for that. But I'm glad you enjoyed yourself and met some good people. And we appreciate the community service. So I'm going to close your matter out, all right? Look at those nails. How did you do anything with those nails?
They asked the same thing. I work with nails. I do nails, so it's easy.
Jeez, that's some long nails there. All right, we're gonna close your matter out, Ms. Pratt. I appreciate it. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
She got herself a plug too.
I can leave the chat.
You can leave the chat.
Okay.
The number 979-3654. I know they were in and out. I don't know. They're that gets me down to. Is Alejandro Vargas here?
Está por aquí el señor Alejandro Vargas.
All right. Offer for Ames. Do you want an opportunity to speak with counsel, Mr. Masseroni?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe that's necessary.
Speak to, join the breakout room. Again, Ms. Snyder's counsel's retained. He's going to speak with you about the case.
Thank you.
Señor Yorlen, usted necesita intérprete, Emilio Yorlen.
The next one I was going to call too. Yancy. Emilio.
Emilio.
Here.
Señor, está en silencio, tiene que abrir su micrófono, no lo podemos oír.
Unmute yourself, please.
Hola, buenos días.
Hello, good morning.
Buenos días, ¿sí necesita intérprete?
¿Sí necesita?
Sí, necesita intérprete.
Yeah, he needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Can you ask him to remove his hat? Let me call this, this is the city of Detroit versus Latoria Shanae Ames, case number SP 145-89701. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Roger Massaroni, P45744, on behalf of Latora Ames.
Sergeant Armante, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Amarante Badge, S565.
Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Ames, can you state your name for the record, please?
Elator Ames.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Good morning to you, ma'am. What's is that offer I got as charged and dismissed upon whatever sentence?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does that still stand? Your client want to take the deal, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, usually it's 12 hours of community service, but I see Ms. Ames lives in Southfield. Is there an issue with her getting over to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No.
You want to do 12 hours community service, Ms. Ames?
Yes.
Your Honor, the plea, to my understanding, and if that's what you do, that's fine, but you know, the plea was, I understand we plead to the charge with a 3-month delayed sentencing with upon payment of fines that they would be dismissed. That's what we like to avail ourselves to.
Understood. And now we won't have this problem anymore because all the cases that don't have the last name GL or O are going to just I'm not going to give the option to set for trial. They want to go to trial and we go take them to their alphabet judge. But I believe we kept this case because I thought Ms. Ames maybe agreed to that. But I'll let her pay the fine and I'll dismiss upon payment. That's what your client wants to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have? Did you read her? Did you read her advice or rights, counselor?
I've gone over everything with her, Your Honor. Yes.
Very well, Ms. Ames. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Today is that date and time. Do you understand, ma'am? Mr. Massaroni went over your other advice or rights. Did he not at some point?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
All right. And has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
Now, let me take you back to May the 5th, 2023 at around 4:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand Boulevard and Vernon Highway. Now, did you have an occasion on the day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And did you have some alcohol? Were you in a public place there, ma'am?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol at that time?
Yes.
Was it open?
Yes.
You drinking it?
I didn't drink it, but it was open.
Mr. Massaroni.
We stipulate to the fact that she had an open intoxicant, you know, at that place and time.
How does that?
For the record, Your Honor, I wouldn't object to amending the offer to no contest. We have reason to believe there may have been issues of intoxication and lack of memory.
Okay, let's see this. Consumption of alcohol, liquor on streets, sidewalks, alleys, or public owned areas exception. It shall be unlawful for any person to consume alcohol, liquor, or on any street, sidewalk, alley, or publicly owned area, except in accordance with chapter 47 of this, article 3 of this code, commercial. That's that poses a little bit of a problem. I don't, Ms. Ames indicates that she did not consume the alcohol. She's willing to stipulate to the fact that she had an open can. What kind of alcohol was it?
Tequila.
What was it in?
It was in a cup.
Cup.
Yes.
Miss Snyder.
I'd ask that the matter be set for trial with her alpha judge, Your Honor, which would be Judge Shannon Holmes.
Well, we're here now. The parties are here now. I suspect even at Judge Holmes's court, I suspect she's going to make the same representation.
Can Attorney Mastroeni and I have a moment in a breakout room, Your Honor?
All right. Let me put you in a breakout room. Rejoin the room, please. Pass the matter. Okay. Yancy, Garland Sierra.
El señor Yancy Yorlen Sierra.
Buenos
Good
días.
morning. Good morning.
Can you remove your hat, please? Buenos dias.
Señor, por favor, quítese el sombrero, por favor.
City of Detroit versus Yancy Emilio Yarlin Sierra, case number SP 146-48291, SP 146-4860, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Yancy Emilio Yorlen Sierra. Número de caso SP 146-48291 y 146-48601, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, diga su nombre, por favor.
Yancy Emilio Yorlen Sierra.
Yancy Emilio Yorlen Sierra.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi representado va a ceder la lectura formal y va a permanecer en silencio.
All right. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond.
Está bien, entonces la corte va a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y va a imponer una fianza de $0.
Do you have valid registration and insurance, sir?
Señor, ¿ya usted tiene registro válido y seguro válido en su vehículo?
El problema es que cuando el oficial me paró, yo venía del trabajo, pero no andaba en mi vehículo, ese no era mi vehículo. Yo le traté de explicar que el vehículo era mi hijastro y él todavía no ha hecho ningún trámite porque realmente no es el que está en el problema, soy yo, no es él. Y entonces estábamos tratando de resolver el problema, pero el carro como vino de Houston, Texas, todo se ha demorado. Hemos mandado a pedir toda la documentación posible de Houston para acá. La enviaron, pero no la enviaron con el nombre de él. Y entonces hubo que volver a mandar el documento para allá para tratar de arreglar. Y yo le dije al oficial, este no es mi vehículo. Yo ando en el vehículo prestado.
The problem, Your Honor, is that was not my vehicle. The vehicle, the owner was my son-in-law, and we're trying to fix all the documentation. We have to call Houston, Texas, and they sent the documents, but they didn't send it to the name of my son-in-law. So we have to request again all the papers to be sent.
All right. Well, you want to do 12 hours of community service to clear this up, sir?
Señor, entonces, ¿usted quiere hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario para esclarecer todo eso, para salir con todos estos tickets?
Ok, perfecto, me parece bien.
Okay, perfect. I think that's good.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He can go over it. He can go over it with you and let us know what you want to do when you get out. He has an absolute right to a trial.
Ok, señor, déjeme ponerlo en una sala de consulta privada con el señor Edward Berry para que le explique, porque usted tiene todo el derecho a ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, cuando vea la notificación en su teléfono, apriete el unirse al grupo pequeño o al breakout room si lo tiene en inglés. ¿Lo ve?
Sí, ya lo veo.
Ok, apriete join o a unirse. Gracias.
Mr. Berry, go ahead and join. Mr. Massaroni, you have joined that breakout room with the client.
Thank you.
That gets me down to Silvat Daniel Mal Dande. Good morning, sir. Do you need an interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
All right, let's wait until Ms. Hernandez comes back.
I mean, it's not my first language. I can try to speak with you, but I prefer in Spanish. Thank you.
Okay, she'll be out in a minute.
Thank you.
We've got Kalel. Excel, Kalel. Necesito interpreter. You have to unmute yourself, sir. Is that Lakeisha Brown?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
One, two. City of Detroit, State of Michigan versus Lakeisha Brown. Case numbers SP 142-94991, SP 142-95011, SP 145-2613, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 417-987-9, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Brown. Ms. Brown, please state your name for the record.
My name is Lakeisha Kydell Brown.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I'll tell you your client missed a court date on 6/14/2023, a trial for Judge Yancey.
Yes, Your Honor, I did miss court date. However, I have been receiving tickets quite for the last 6 months, and I was already scheduled for another court arrangement. And I was on that Zoom. When I tried to log in to pursue with that court date, I wasn't able to log in.
I don't understand. You missed the court date because you couldn't log in, or you missed the court date because you forgot about it because you had other matters?
No, I missed the court date because I was on another court. I was scheduled for 2 court dates on the same day at the same time.
Okay. You want to do community service to clear this stuff up, or do you want to go back to your alphabet judge?
I would prefer to do the community service.
You want to do the part of community service?
Yes.
All right. Let's see here.
Your Honor, does she have other pending matters?
She has other pending matters. She has 2 state, 1 accident, no proof of insurance that are in default. That's what's affecting her driver's license now. That was on March the 4th, 2023. The allegation was made. She has the matters before us are the SP 145-2613, counts 1 and counts 2. Those allegations were made on 4/18/2023. And then the matters that she had set for trial already in front of Judge Yancey was 2/1/2023. That's the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client stands mute.
You'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Did you have a valid driver's license, ma'am, before this?
Yes, I did.
So what we're going to start by doing, we're going to start by getting your license reinstated. On SX 417-98792, I want you to come down here and pay a $45 reinstatement fee. I'll allow you to pay that reinstatement fee up front. After that, I am going to have you come back with a valid license, and then we're gonna get you into the community service program. All right?
Yes.
So, when will you be able to come and bring that money to the court?
I can come tomorrow morning.
All right, 8. Come back. I'll come tomorrow morning. Bring that money down, and your next pretrial date is going to be August the 2nd, 2023, at 8:30.
Okay.
Now, do you have any issue getting over to Southwest Detroit to do the community service?
No, I did just move from that area, but I still can get over there.
Okay, so let's start by getting your valid license. Go, and once you come down tomorrow morning, you wait 48 to 72 hours to approach the Secretary of State, so that clearance, give that time, clearance time to get there. You don't have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, do you, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, I'm recalling the warrants and I'm going to give you a $0 bond and your next pretrial date is going to be August the 2nd, 2023. All right.
Thank
Eddie,
you.
very much welcome. Have a good day now.
You as well.
All right, what's going to go on with Ms. Ames?
Yes,
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ames. Ms. Ames, Mr. Counselor, I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What's the resolutions?
Again, Your Honor, my client would like to avail herself of the plea offer to plead to the open intoxicants with the delayed sentencing dismissal upon payment of fine. I had talked with my client. She had been drinking out of an open intoxicant that evening. She had a full cup of tequila at that time, which when the officer stopped her, she hadn't been drinking out of, but she had been drinking out of open intoxicants that night, just previous to that instant. And we would like to avail ourselves of that plea agreement.
All right, so Ms. Ames, you there?
Yes.
So let's go back over this again. Were you out there at that date and time?
Yes.
And you had the tequila. Now you indicated that you weren't consuming it. Had you been consuming alcohol in public that day?
Yes.
And what were you just saying to me that you just hadn't turned, he just didn't see you turn the cup up or something at that time, or what?
Yes.
All right. All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. Now I'll give you the option. You want to pay the fine or do the community service?
I'll pay the fine.
$240 fine. When can you pay it?
I'll pay it next Friday.
That's fair enough. Let's have a review for next for the August the 2nd. Make sure that payment's gotten here. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone. You can, we'll close the matter out. If you got it paid, it's in the system, you don't have to report. But if it's not paid, I need to see you, all right, ma'am?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You and Mr. Massaroni and you and your client have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, well, we need an interpreter. What's D's iPhone? D's iPhone?
Derek Mason, Your Honor.
Derek Mason?
Derek Mason. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Derek Mason, case number, this Derek Wardell Mason, case number is SP 1395771, SP 141824441, SP 1428691, and SP 1441741. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Mason, please state your name for the record.
Derek Wardell Mason.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He's got a couple of things going on here. He's got a trial on September 1st on SP 139-57791. Judge Wagner, I suppose that's going to be in front of. So we won't deal with that. Secondly, he's got drove in an unsafe manner that he owes money on. I don't know if that's been taken up by Judge Wagner or not. I guess he was found responsible at hearing, so that's done. We'll strike those from the records. He's in front of me for a loudspeaker ticket. And he has another no insurance misdemeanor ticket that's in front of Judge Wagner. So he has a pretrial. You want to just go to Judge Wagner, sir, with this?
Well, I have the Judge Wagner situation. I have EWAP, which I'm gonna take care of that. But the other one, the loudspeaker, I'm guilty of that one. And then the insurance one, I have my insurance for. There's two different vehicles. This matter occurred in, but I have my insurance for that vehicle.
He says he's guilty of that one. He has not. We didn't even get to that point yet.
Well, I know I'm guilty of the sound one. I know I'm guilty of the sound one.
Mr. Mason, let's just not make those types of statements on the record. Please and thank you.
Yep.
So, I mean, what do you want to do? You want to do 12 hours of community service and we'll this, but you still have the insurance matter that's set for pretrial on the 24th. You're expected in Judge Wagner on the 24th.
Yeah, I can do that. And can I pay a fine on the other one?
I just say go to Judge Wagner on both on all of them.
Okay, we can do that.
Why don't we set SP 142-86941? Let's set a pretrial for 7/24 in front of Judge Wagner. That's what your next pretrial date is. 2023 at 8:35. As for purposes of arraignment, counselor, we'll give him a $0 bond and enter a not guilty plea. And we'll send Judge Wagner. So July the 24th, 2023.
July 24th.
Yeah, go to Judge Wagner.
Okay, what time is that at?
8:35.
8:35.
And then you see if you can take up that unnecessary, that unsafe. Oh, you already got found responsible for that.
I paid that fine already.
No, you didn't. He probably admitted to that too. All right. There's nothing for. Well, he didn't. He had a hearing and got found responsible. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Mason, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, can I get the Zoom number for Wagner?
Zoom number for Wagner is going to be 360-331-0000.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
I got it. Yep.
Let
me call
have a very good luck to you.
Thank you. We'll call Sean. Get it go to court with me.
It's a city of the. Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garland Sierra. After giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste que el acta del señor Yorlen Sierra. Señor Yorlen Sierra, le di la oportunidad de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
But Your Honor, Mr. Jorland Sierra would avail himself of the offer to resolve these matters with community service.
Su señoría, el señor Jorlen Sierra, va a tomar la oferta que le ofrecieron de resolver todos estos casos con 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Sierra?
Señor, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Sierra?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, sir?
Levante su mano derecha, señor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
And you can put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand, sir, that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad que podría aplicarse a un caso como este podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 de multa?
Sí. Yes.
Yes.
And you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y también entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera.
Yes.
Sí.
You understand, sir, that Mr. Berry went to the in the breakout room, read you your other advice or rights, did he not?
El señor Berry, su abogado, mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada, le dejó saber todos sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Correcto.
Correcto.
All right, you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos? ¿Y usted entendió esos derechos, lo que les explicó? ¿Aló? ¿Señor? ¿Aló?
Sí, sí, sí.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sí.
Yes.
About those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de alguno de esos derechos?
No, no, ninguna.
No, no, no.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Señor, y aparte de esto que hemos estado hablando y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 25th, 2023 at around 6:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Toledo, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el 25 de mayo del 2023, alrededor de las 6:39 de la noche, de la tarde, y en los alrededores de Livernois y Toledo. Ese día, a esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day, sir?
Y ese día usted estaba manejando un vehículo, señor.
Sí.
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
Y había algo que no estaba correcto con las placas de ese vehículo.
Sí.
Yes.
What was wrong with them?
Okay, you see it, let me know. Okay.
¿Qué era lo que tenía, qué le pasaba con las placas?
Bueno, en el momento que me detuvo, es que me entero de que las placas ya no estaban en este vehículo, sino estaban en otro vehículo.
By the time that he stopped me is when I find out that the plates that was carrying in that vehicle didn't go to that vehicle. It belonged to another vehicle.
Okay, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count. As charged, the improper plate which stipulates the proper cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Ok, entonces yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable de este cargo como lo tiene, y después de que su abogado estipule sobre las causas probables, le voy a quitar todos los demás tickets.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
All right. I'm gonna need a good phone number from you, Mr. Senior Sierra.
Ok, señor Sierra, necesito un buen número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
346-510-8602.
Your Honor, you got it?
There, trade, 346.
346.
346. See, 346. All right. Yeah, you got to give me that one, Miss Fernandez.
346. That's his area code. 410. Sorry, Your Honor. 510-8602. I will repeat. 346-510-8602.
Okay. He needs to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, which is 389-2155. I'm giving him
Señor.
August 16th to complete those hours, and get in contact with Ms. Quintale this afternoon to set those hours up. And if he doesn't have any further questions, he's free to leave.
Ok, señor. Su señoría le dio el número donde tiene que llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria al suroeste de Detroit, a la señora Buentello. Tiene que llamar al 313-879-2155 esta misma tarde para comunicarse con la señora Buentello y coordinar cómo, dónde y cuándo va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario. Y
Okay.
tiene que volver a la corte y volverse a conectar como hoy con la misma Zoom ID el día 16 de agosto de este año a las 8:25 de la mañana para hacer la revisión de que ya usted hizo las horas. Tiene que ser a las 8:25 porque a esa hora toman las revisiones.
Ok, perfecto.
¿Entendió? Si no tiene ninguna pregunta, ya se puede desconectar, señor. Y lo vemos el 16 de agosto. Y llame a la señora Buentello esta tarde.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Marcial. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good morning to you. We're gonna dismiss this case for providing valid documentation. I see you have a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Can I just add that your Spanish is very well? I am so happy to hear a judge just trying. It breaks my heart, and the Detroit are very proud.
I'm so trying. It's very few limited words, but I'm trying to practice some every day.
Good for you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day now.
You all have a blessed one. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. All right, let's move on. We have Mr. Maldonado. Maldonado.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Maldonado. What's the EB?
Señor Maldonado, ¿qué es esa EB después de su nombre, Silvano? EB. ¿Qué es EB?
Es el apellido de mi mamá.
Ah, entonces EB es un apellido.
Sí, es un apellido de Yucatán, México. Es maya.
Es solamente 2 letras.
Sí.
Okay, is my mother's last name. Is a Mayan. last name. Is my mother's last name.
Well, how do I say the EB?
¿Y cómo se pronuncia esa EB?
¿Cómo se pronuncia en español? EP. Solamente así. EP. EP.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Silvano Maldonado. Ed, case number SP1443298, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Silvano Maldonado. Número de caso SP 144-32981, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Silvano Maldonado. EP.
Silvano Maldonado.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Maldonado EP.
Sharika Harris representando al señor Maldonado EP.
For purposes of, okay, today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Your client's offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service, dismiss upon completion, and dismiss the other matters. Now, he has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put him in a breakout room, and you can speak with him, Ms. Harris, and let us know what your client wants to do.
Señor, por favor, señor Maldonado, cuando vea ahí en su pantalla una invitación para unirse a un grupo pequeño, por favor, apriete. ¿Lo ve?
No.
¿Le puede dar a su pantalla a ver si se...
Ok, ya lo vi. Join.
Ok, apriete ahí, vamos a una sala de consulta privada para que su abogado le explique y le explique.
He's in there. Ma'am, on the Zoom user that came in super late, what's your name, please?
Naisha Love, you talking about me?
Yes, Ms. Love, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Start your camera, please, Ms. Love.
Yeah.
Do you have a bonnet on your head, ma'am?
Yeah, my hair not done. I just got out the gym.
All right, you're gonna have to take the bonnet off your head, ma'am.
My hair not done. Can we reschedule me then with my hair done?
No. You knew you had to come to court. I don't do bonnets.
I mean, I didn't know y'all actually just sent the notice out, but I'm ready.
You didn't know you had to come to court?
I just found out because I just got the notice.
So you knew you had to come to court, right?
I just got the notice, sir. I just got it yesterday. I know now.
So you should have done something with your hand before you came into court. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you, all right? You should have done something here. I don't do bonnets. We're not gonna reschedule.
Okay.
On the last page, 845 down toward the bottom. In the park after dark. She's got a lot of cases. City of Detroit versus Naisha
Yes.
Sharda Love, case numbers SP 1283169, count 1, SP 1283169, count 3, SP 1329818, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1330177, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1330181, and SP 1451371. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Love. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Naisha Love.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This is a case where she's got leaving the scene of a property damage accident, failure to report, giving false info. Giving false info regarding accidents. So this is a case where it's best to have the city attorney's not going to give you an offer today, ma'am. They want to speak to the officer, and then she's got the in the park after dark. Want to speak to an officer regarding the matter. So we're going to set a trial date.
Excuse me, can I say something?
I'm going to let you speak to. I'm going to let you speak to the lawyer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry, please.
I'm so confused.
Mr. Phillips, what about Laurie? Javion Derek Laurie. Did he do the community service? Unmute yourself.
We're ready, Your Honor.
I cannot see him.
I don't either. Did
He's
he come
still
out?
in the breakout room. He said he was done. He was good. But he must be there yet. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Maldonado. Ed, I'll give you an opportunity to serve as speaker counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acto con el caso del señor Maldonado. Señor Maldonado, le dimos la oportunidad de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿cómo desea proseguir su cliente?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date.
Su señoría, mi cliente respetuosamente está solicitando una fecha para juicio.
All right. Does he have valid license?
¿Él tiene una licencia válida?
I guess we'll leave that up to you and him.
For trial, please. Thank you.
Very well.
Para juicio, por favor.
Let's get him a trial date.
Oh, are you free?
No, this, he has to go to his alphabet judge. No. Him.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Maldonado F?
Señor Maldonado, ¿eso es lo que usted desea hacer?
Sí.
Yes.
And Your Honor, there may be one other civil infraction. If that could be pulled out of default to follow along, it would be appreciated.
2 other civil infractions. I'll set those defaults aside.
Debe haber otra infracción civil, si eso pudiera sacarse y ponerla en el mismo paquete para que también sea parte de esto. Sí, sí, yo lo saco.
Thank
Can
you.
you get the gentleman's name, Excel Kalal?
El señor con Excel Kalel, por favor, ¿cuál es su apellido? Señor Excel, tiene el micrófono cerrado.
Buenos días. Axel
Good
Danilo
morning.
Calel Gómez.
Axel Danilo Kalel Gómez. He's under Gómez at the 845, Your Honor. 4th line.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Maldonado F. Mr. Maldonado, I have another court date from you for your alphabet judge, Judge Wagner.
Señor Maldonado, yo tengo la fecha aquí para que usted se conecte en el juez que le toca alfabéticamente, que es el juez Wagner.
Sí.
Yes.
The date is going to be August the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
El día va a ser el 9 de agosto del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana.
I'm going to mark the file that you need a Spanish interpreter.
Y puede poner que necesita un intérprete de español.
Sí.
And I'm going to give you Judge Wagner's phone number and Zoom ID whenever you're ready.
Le voy a dar el número de del tribunal del juez Wagner y le voy a dar también el número de ID en el cual se tiene que conectar ese día. ¿Tiene lápiz y papel ya listos?
Sí.
Yes. The phone number is Trace Uno Trace. 965 2284. The Zoom ID is Trace 60 Trace Uno Trace strike that 0000 Trace 60 Trace 60 Trace Uno 0000.
El número de teléfono es 313-965-2284. Y el número de Zoom al cual se tiene que conectar es 360-331-0000.
Sí, lo tengo.
Yes, I got
All
it.
right. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Ok, señor, si no tiene más nada pendiente, ya se puede desconectar. Que tenga muy buen día y buena suerte.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you. Gracias, su señoría. Usted también.
All right. Okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus Axel Danielle Kalel SP 145-313-8 counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 145-313-9-1. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris, take this one.
Ok, vamos a llamar a la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Axel Danilo Calel Gómez, número de caso SP 145-31391. Your Honor, can you repeat, please, the case numbers? I just have one in the list.
SP 145-313-8 counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 145-313-9-1.
Thank you. Por favor, su señoría, ¿puede repetir los números de caso? Porque solamente tengo uno en el listado. Sí, claro, es 145-313, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 145-313-91. Los dos tienen SP adelante. Gracias. Thank you, Your Honor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gomez, please state your name.
Mi nombre es Cherica Harris y estoy presentando al señor Gómez. Señor Gómez, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Axel Danilo Calel Gómez.
Axel Danilo Calel Gómez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, mi cliente permanecerá en silencio.
Okay. Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He was here before but got disconnected. His offer is allowing 12 hours of community service. Will dismiss upon completion and will dismiss the other 2 matters now. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in, he's going to stay with me anyway, so put you in a breakout room and see what he wants to do, all right? And if he wants to get his information and give him the information to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay. Le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada para que le explique. Le vamos a ofrecer el acuerdo de que dejó que alguien más manejara y después de que haga las 2 horas y con 12 horas de servicio comunitario, si quiere adherirse a ese acuerdo, todo se deja caer el día de hoy y una vez que concluya las horas, pues se deja caer ese cargo de que dejó a alguien sin licencia a manejar. Vaya, por favor, a la sala de consulta privada donde su abogado le explicará sus derechos. Y allí, por favor, necesito un buen teléfono suyo y le dan el número del Centro Comunitario de Justicia donde tiene que llamar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Right.
Y también el juez dijo que usted se había desconectado y se había desconectado antes y volvió a conectarse. I'm sorry, I forgot to say that he got disconnected.
Very well. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Naisha Love. Ms. Love, can you unmute yourself and turn your camera on, please? All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. I have a trial with it. Did you get all your questions answered, Ms. Love?
No, I just want the date.
Right. October 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Well, let's go through this. Mr. Barry, did you explain to your client that she has a right to a trial by judge or by jury?
No, Your Honor, I did not read her rights. I simply answered the questions she put to me.
All right, and she indicated that she didn't get those answers to her questions.
She has a number of notices, Your Honor, for matters that don't appear on the docket today.
I understand, and I'm treating it as a one-stop shop, so she doesn't
I
have to
understand.
come back to court, and we'll deal with all of them at one time. So go through the fact, go through her rights about trial by judge or jury, see if she wants to waive those rights, what she wants to do.
Sir, can I please just get the date?
All right, this next court appearance is gonna be in person. Go ahead and go with those rights, Mr. Barry, to make sure she waived, if she wants to trial by judge or jury. Mr. Barry? Go join the room, rejoin the room, please, ma'am.
Oh, can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you both. What about,
Mr. Laurie?
Laurie?
I don't think he's 1 hour, Your Honor. He never came here. We don't have him listed for 1 hour. I think he went to 36 probation.
See if Mr. Laurie has completed community service with Ms. Green. Okay. Last one of the day, she wants to come in late. Could make her keep coming back, but I don't want to be bothered with her.
Are we still having an echo?
No.
Okay. I was wondering where that came from, folks.
No, not yet. I don't know, Mr. Hernandez. I don't know whether Mr. Hernandez is the right.
We ain't bad. We got like 4 people.
You gonna send the compliance letter? Okay, thank you. Bye. Yes.
I think that's the harshest one so far.
Batting 1,000 a day on community service, everybody.
You know, this show has been a lot of in the park after hours.
Yeah.
Tickets.
Yeah, that's when all the action goes down, right?
Yeah, and they all usually be by one officer or the,
That's where he knows everywhere. He knows where to go. He knows where he can get some tickets. Mr. Sharif, when do you go back? When do you start school?
At the end of August, Your Honor.
All right. My son came home this week, just for a few days. He's home now. And he goes back tomorrow.
is he back into playing again?
Yes, he's gonna play his last semester.
Okay, good.
At Western. He's excited about that. And he'll be getting a master's degree in sports management.
Okay. That's good too. That's good. Yeah, soccer.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of an echo from the guy. Yeah, that's Okay, let's go back on the record to Mr. Gomez. Mr. Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Ok, volvamos a para que conste en el caso del señor Gómez. Señor Gómez, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, it's my understanding he wishes to enter a plea.
Entiendo, su señoría, que él quiere tomar el acuerdo que le han ofrecido.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gomez?
Eso es lo que quiere hacer, señor Gómez.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar su mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $5 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para estos delitos podría ser de hasta 93 días en cárcel y o de hasta $500 de multa? ¿Entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Mrs. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris le notificó de sus derechos. ¿Verdad?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y entendió esos derechos?
Sí, lo entendí.
Yes, I understood.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de alguno de esos derechos?
No.
No.
Understand you're going to be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
Y usted entiende que al tomar este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que hemos estado hablando aquí que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 19th, 2023, at around 3:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Clark and Porter Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on the day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el 19 de abril de 2023, alrededor de las 3:47 de la noche, en las inmediaciones de Clark y Ford. Ese día, a esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un policía?
Sí.
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Y ese día usted estaba manejando un vehículo, señor, un vehículo automotor.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y no pudo hacerlo, ¿verdad, señor?
No, no pude.
No, no, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué, señor?
No lo tenía.
Because I didn't have it.
Very well, I'm going to find your client guilty of the admitted count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, order him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss it upon completion. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters now.
Está bien, abogada. Entonces yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable de haber permitido que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y le voy a quitar el cargo después de que complete las horas de servicio comunitario. Los otros dos cargos pendientes los voy a quitar ahora mismo después de que usted estipule sobre la base de los mismos.
I'll stipulate it.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Can I get a good phone number from you, please?
Señor, por favor, ¿me puede dar un buen número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted? Déselo al juez, por favor.
Sí,
En español.
313-740-8560.
You got it, Your Honor?
Trace uno tres, 740.
¿Sí?
85. I didn't get the last two.
60.
So trace uno tres, 740-8560.
Perfecto.
All right, you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir, which would be trace uno tres, 879-20-155.
Señor, por favor, necesito que anote el teléfono del Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit, que es 313-879-2155.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, I got it.
We're giving you until August the 16th, 2023 to finish the community service. When you hang up today, get in contact with when you hang up now, get in contact with Ms. Flinteo at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave and have a very good day.
Señor, usted le voy a dar hasta el 16 de agosto de este año para que usted haga esas horas de servicio comunitario. Ese día se tiene que volver a conectar aquí a las 8:25 de la mañana con el mismo Zoom ID. 16 de agosto a las 8:25 con la misma Zoom ID de hoy, y ya la señora Buentello nos habrá dado la confirmación de que usted hizo sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Tiene que llamarla a ella apenas se desconecte de aquí hoy, ¿ok? Para establecer con ella cómo va a ser las horas. Si no está, déjele un mensaje con su nombre y su teléfono.
Ok.
¿Ok? Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya puede retirarse.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga buen día, señor.
Ustedes también. Gracias.
So do you. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go back on the record lastly with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, turn on your camera and unmute yourself, please. All right, Mr. Barry. Now let me get this. Let's get this straight, Ms. Love. I'm not going to deal with your attitude, okay? I find your attitude very offensive, and I'm not going to deal with it. All right. So you need to leave when you come in here next time. You need to leave that attitude at the door. All right. So, Mr. Barry, did you go over with Ms. Love her rights to a trial by judge or by jury?
Yes, Your Honor, as well as her other rights. And it's her choice to seek a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, can you voir dire Ms. Love on the right of a jury trial? I want to make sure that she understands completely what's going on here.
Ms. Love, you have a right to a trial by jury. If you waive that right, as I indicated, then you can have your trial before just the judge. So as I understand it, you intend to come to the trial date, come to the 36th District Court and have the proceedings, the trial proceedings conducted just in front of the judge. And you are waiving your right to have a jury of 6 decide the question of guilt or innocence. Is that correct?
Yeah.
I find she's really involuntarily waiving her right to a trial by jury. We're gonna set a bench trial on October 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m. and it's gonna be in person. All right? That's gonna give her a lot of time to make sure her hair is done. All right, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Thank you. All right, that's gonna